In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Elementor header on a page. If you're building a distraction-free landing page, a sleek coming soon screen, or any layout where you don't want your site's navigation or footer showing, this is a quick and reliable way to do it using Elementor's built-in settings. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along in just a few moments. First, open the page you want to edit and launch it in Edit with Elementor. This takes you into the visual editor, where you can see your content and controls side by side. Once you're in the editor, look to the left panel for the settings gear icon at the top left. Click that gear to open the page level settings. This is where Elementor lets you control options that affect the entire page, not just individual sections or widgets. Inside the page settings, find the page layout option. By default, many themes load a layout that includes your site's header and footer. To remove them completely, change the page layout to Elementor Canvas. Elementor Canvas is a special template that strips away your theme's header and footer, giving you a truly blank page. Think of it as a clean slate where only the content you design in Elementor appears. This is perfect when you need full creative control without global elements getting in the way. After selecting Elementor Canvas, lock in your change by clicking Update if the page already exists, or Publish if it's a new page. Saving is important because the layout change doesn't apply on the front end until you update or publish. Once that's done, your page will no longer display the site's header or footer. You now have a blank page that shows only the elements you've built in Elementor. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Since Canvas removes the header and footer entirely, your visitors won't see your main navigation or any global footer content on this page. If you need links or a call to action, add buttons or menus directly within your Elementor design so users can still move through your site. Also, if you ever want to bring the header and footer back, you can return to the same page layout setting and switch away from Canvas. That's all there is to it. Open the page in Edit with Elementor, click the Settings gear, choose Elementor Canvas under Page Layout, and hit Update or Publish. You've now created a clean, distraction-free canvas for your design.